The new Classic Collection powered from Dayton Audio are sleek, powerful, and elegant speakers that are designed to bring a stunning sound and style into your home. Proudly designed right here in Dayton, Ohio, Classic Collection embodies a commitment to delivering an exceptional listening experience. Classic Collection was designed from the ground up to really deliver an amazing sound, easy connectivity, and vintage inspiration coupled with contemporary design. We developed a whole new driver that digs deeper with high output and less distortion that, when coupled with this completely sealed cabinet, allows you to place Classic Collection anywhere. To generate room-filling sound from these speakers, we have included a powerful 70-watt amplifier, real hi-fi crossovers, and 1-inch silk dome tweeters to deliver a truly exceptional listening experience. Connecting to these speakers has never been easier. Either just stream with Bluetooth or connect to the aux input on the back like a turntable or a CD player or anything else you want to connect. And then easily accessible bass and treble controls on the side of the speaker put you in control of your sound. And while these speakers have exceptional audio performance and are easy to control, we thought it was very important that these speakers look incredible. With their vintage-inspired styling, Classic Collection powered are perfect for your home or wherever you listen to music, available in black finish or an elegant wood grain. The 6.5-inch version is perfect for filling larger spaces like a living room, and the compact 4-inch version is great for a small bedroom or an office. Here at Dayton Audio, we challenged ourselves to make the best speakers possible in their class, and we really think Classic Collection powered is just that.